Abi orkestra var tanıştık bile. Agi ni kasam dire sama kan shoot pala mono rakana shooting mak ni taba. Shap kaza khana buskan wa.
Ora.
Buskan wa o gari wa.
Amun kazan khane.
Baba Biden phani de.
Ikalayan. Kapte ko pasom.
Baisung masa.
Ben bagay na gato kan.
Bising tanah yang lahan saya.
Ini gua hati. Kalau nak hati baru banyak.
Surat.
Bus kanggur ni.
Bus kata kan.
Kita ada nomor nama yang
Maharaj Sabin Loget Tongo CM Dai sini Narwai Tongo sini Baisung Butia Barat Hakatuni Football Kerung Hebake Kesam Captain Indian Team ni Baisung Butia Bo Paisa Paisa Belai Kanal sini Niner of Kapal Kaham Hebake Tong Thogo Jengbo Hai Borong Man Mani Bagai Tabu Yasak Somani Resamong Folk Music College by
a football match. What would be your message for the?
No, I think first of all I would like to thank the entire TTDCA organizers, the government, my friend Maharajaji for inviting me here. Very excited. I think this is the first time the league has happened, and hopefully I think it's the beginning. And it's good to be here. It's so nice to see so many fans, football lovers turning out to watch the finals. So very happy, and hopefully this is the start of football in Tripura, and I hope it will get bigger and bigger.
So perhaps this is for the first time we can see that the TTDC administration is encouraging the youth for the sports. How do you react on it?
I think it's very important that we focus on sports, especially for the youth, because not just Tripura but entire Northeast, we need our youth to get into sports. We need our youth to channelize into right energy. I think we have a lot of challenges in Northeast with drugs, with a lot of other anti-social things which is happening. And hopefully I think this TTDC is going to set an example in Tripura, and that the rest of the states in the Northeast would copy. So I think it's a great initiative, and I would like to congratulate the organizers and the
What is the main agenda of this?
See, the main agenda was that there is in Tripura we only hear about Tripura only for elections or election related news, whether it is violence or somebody is won or somebody is lost. We want the 80% of Tripura, and especially the ADC areas, are young. We want our youth to also feel that they have a chance in society. There are other things, other avenues. Even for you guys in the media, you must be tired always interviewing old, boring politicians. So it's nice to see someone like Baichung Bhutia coming in, or it's nice to see someone like a Lucky Ali or a Papon coming, or a music video. Our idea is to encourage sports. Our idea is to encourage fitness. And our idea is also to tell our youth that drugs is not an option. With the rising cases of drug addiction in Tripura, we are very worried. We are very worried about HIV cases is rising because of this. So our idea is to ensure that more people come up front, more people take sports as a career. We have a role model like Baichung Bhutia, who himself is an indigenous Sikkimese, who has become the number one footballer that India has known in the last 50 years. And he's a role model for us. And he is someone from the northeast, he is someone like us from the indigenous community. So people like them coming and supporting us, we have also very happy to announce that Baichung Bhutia has agreed to becoming the brand ambassador of the ADC government against drugs and against HIV. So he's agreed to become the brand ambassador. He will spread the message. We are also speaking about opening football academies. I want the youth of Tripura not just to become MDCs and MLAs or contractors, or they should also become footballers. They should also play in I-League. They should play in ISL. There is a huge career in sports, and if you can set up a football academy, we are talking on that. If you can set up a football academy run by footballers and not by politicians, if you can, so these are ideas that we are trying to work on. We are trying something different, and hopefully, if there is cooperation, if there is goodwill from the public, we will be able to succeed.